Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to install a free WordPress plugin that will check our website views, and we can also check website stats on the daily basis. So just we need to go in the dashboard, and after that in the plugin sections we need to install a plugin. Just search for WP statistics. Guys, here you can see this is the plugin that has 60,000 plus active installations. Just we can install it. And after that activate it. After that, now scroll down. Here you can find out the plugin settings. Here you can see statistics, and here you can check website views on the daily basis. Also you can check from which platforms your website is getting views. Here you can see overall reports for your website, and also you can apply filters, for example last 30 days, 7 days and monthly basis. So in this way you can easily install this free WordPress plugin from the WordPress plugin library.